Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to actually remove, disconnect, unlink Spotify from your Discord account. Now it's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is open up your Discord account and from there sign into your existing account where your Spotify has been linked to. Now from there we go to the bottom left of our screen where the user settings appear. Now there are a load of things you can do. First, we're going to connections, but as you can see right here, we have our Spotify linked. Now, if you don't want to link it, you don't want to connect it, simply press the little X right here and you can disconnect your Spotify. But let's say you only want to stop to display what you're playing on your profile, simply switch these two off and that should solve your problem. But if you want to totally disconnect it from your account, simply press X and disconnect it. It's easy as that. If you still get any other questions or if this tutorial has helped you, please leave it in the comments down below. It helps me out a lot. Leave a like and subscribe, that also helps me out tremendously, and thanks for watching.